A rare and striking State House image showing Sports Minister and the retired Brigadier General Sanyatwe bowing to Vice President Chiwenga in full view of President Mnangagwa has reignited debate over Zimbabwe's shifting power dynamics, independent succession content. Sarabina mash kobra nkopangwa ine. It was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Even now, the photography captured during the official engagement goes beyond a routine show of protocol. Instead, it offers a revealing snapshot of the subtle but significant tension reshaping the country's political landscape. Sanyatwe, a former commander of the Presidential Guard, was recently reassigned to the Ministry of Sports, Recreational Arts and Culture. A move widely interpreted by critics and analysts is a strategic demotion from the influential security sector to a less powerful civilian portfolio. His bow to Chiwenga, his former commander in the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, underscores the enduring weight of military hierarchies within the Zimbabwe's political elite. Chiwenga, a central figure in the 2017 military intervention that ushered Mnangagwa into power, remains a key player in the unresolved succession matrix. Yet, recent developments suggest a shifting balance, but the Chiwenga and officials believed to be aligned with him appear to be gradually sidelined as Mnangagwa tightens his grip on key levers of power. Observers point to the broader pattern: the redeployment of military-linked figures into civilian roles, strategic cabinet reshuffles, and consolidation of authority around the presidency. Sanyatwe's transfer fits neatly within the involving script. Mnangagwa's presence in the frame has drawn equally strong interpretations. For some, it signals firm control over competing factors. For others, it reflects a calculated effort to neutralize potential rivals ahead of future political contests. Mnangagwa-Chiwenga relationship has long been viewed through the lens of quiet rivalry, with both leaders maintaining public unity while navigating competing networks within the party, government, and military. Noma developments ari kuda panguva ina chinokonzi panguva ina zvinhu zvina kumira zvakanaka muma levels of power. Pina comment section medu dzavunga enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Musasubscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.